Alright, here we go. This article covers general requirements for the examination and approval, installation and use, access to, and spaces about electrical conductors and equipment, enclosures intended for personal entry and tunnel installations. Approved. The conductors and equipment required by permitted by the code should be acceptable only if approved. Examination, identification, installation, use, and listing product certification of equipment. Examination. In judging equipment, considerations such as the following should be evaluated: suitability for installation and use in conformity with this code, mechanical strength and durability, including for parts designed to enclose and protect other equipment, the adequacy of the protection thus provided, wire bending and connection space, electrical installation, heating effects under normal conditions of use and also under abnormal conditions likely to arise in service, arcing effects, classification by type, size, voltage, current, capacity, and specific use, cybersecurity for network connected life safety equipment to address its ability to withstand unauthorized updates and malicious attacks while continuing to perform its intended safety functionality. Other factors that contribute to the practical safeguarding of persons using or likely to come in contact with the equipment. Installation and use. Equipment that is listed, labeled, or both or identified for a use should be installed and used in accordance with any instructions included in the listing, labeling, or identification. Listing. Product testing, evaluation, and listing should be performed by recognized qualified electrical testing laboratories and should be in accordance with applicable product standards, recognized as achieving equivalent and effective safety for equipment installed to comply with this code. 110.4 Voltages. The voltage considered should be that at which the circuit operates. The voltage rating of electrical equipment should not be less than the nominal voltage of a circuit to which it is connected. Conductors. Conductors used to carry current should be of copper, aluminum, or copper-clad aluminum unless otherwise provided in this code. If the conductive material is not specified, the sizes given in this code shall apply to copper conductors. If other materials are used, the size should be changed accordingly. Conductor sizes. Conductor sizes are expressed in American wire gauge, AWG, or in circular mills. Wiring integrity. Completed wiring installation should be free from short circuits, ground faults, or any connections to ground other than as required or permitted elsewhere in this code. Wiring methods. Only wiring methods recognized as suitable are included in this code. Recognized wiring methods of wiring should be permitted to be installed in any type of building, occupancy, or premises wiring system except as otherwise provided in this code. Interrupting rating. Equipment intended to interrupt current at fault level shall have an interrupting rating and nominal circuit voltage at least equal to the available fault current at the line terminals of the equipment. Equipment intended to interrupt current at other than fault level shall have an interrupting rating at nominal circuit voltage at least equal to the current that must be interrupted. Circuit impedance, short circuit, current ratings, and other characteristics. The overcurrent protective devices, the total impedance, the equipment short circuit, current ratings, and other characteristics of the circuit to be protected should be selected and coordinated to permit the circuit protective devices used to clear a fault to do so without extensive damage to electrical equipment of the circuit. This fault should be assumed to be either between two or more of the circuit conductors or between any circuit conductor and the equipment grounding conductors permitted in 250.111.8. Listed equipment applied in accordance with their listing should be considered to meet the requirements of this section. Deteriorating agents. Unless identified for use in the operating environment, no conductors or equipment should be located in damp or wet locations where exposed to gases, fumes, vapors, liquids, or other agents that have a deteriorating effect on conductors or equipment, or where exposed to excessive temperatures. Equipment not identified for outdoor use and equipment identified only for indoor use, such as dry locations, indoor use only, damp locations, or enclosure types 1, 2, 5, 12K, and or 13 should be protected against damage from weather during construction. 110.12 Mechanical execution of work. Electrical equipment shall be installed in a professional and skillful manner. Unused openings. Unused openings other than those intended for the operation of equipment, those intended for mounting purposes, or those permitted as part of the design for listed equipment shall be closed to afford protection substantially equivalent to the wall of the equipment, where metallic plugs or plates are used with non-metallic enclosures.